Hello everyone. Hope you started learning Python with Priyanka. So today I came with new topic that is string. And new viewers, I like to tell you what exactly I am posting which videos over here. I am posting here Python related videos which contains basic to advanced videos. Okay, so we have started from basics, very basics, and I have created one playlist for it. You can visit my channel and start learning from first video. So again, I welcome you all, and without wasting much time, let's begin with our topic. Okay, so here we are starting today with string. So string is very important function in Python. So what is string? Firstly, you will think what is exactly string? So string is collection of alphabets, words or other characters. That is some special character. You can say numeric, alphanumeric characters. Okay. So here I will write definition of it. String is a collection of alphabets, words, or other character. Again, we can see it as it is one of the primitive data structure. Pardon me, primitive data structure. Okay, so it is one of the primitive data structure, and we can use it for building blocks for data. So basically I will make it as a raw string using except r. Hope you can convert it from here also. You remember this all. Okay, we have seen this all basic concept in our prior video. So here we will go point by point. We will firstly try to understand what exactly it means. Again, Python strings are immutable. From this immutable word, what you can understand. So basically, we can't able to means add new words in it after creating it. Okay. Yeah, this is all about string. Um, where if I remember some point, recall some point, I will definitely add over here, and we will begin with it. Okay. So basically, how you can wrote string for a single word or lesser words, you can make it or pass it in single quote or double quote. Okay. So here single quote and double quote is used for making string. You have to keep in mind this point. Okay, we are gonna see this also. Again, string is collection, and a very important point is this one. Okay, string is collection of alphabets, words, or other character. Let's see here. I will give one example here. I am taking single quote. I am saying here we are learning string. So see, this is nothing but string. and this is nothing but variable. We have given here variable as string 1 and we are executing the same. See, so it is giving us output as whichever stuff we have given to it, it is returning us, right? Again, we can write it in double quote also. I will copy the same stuff and I will make sure that I will pass it into double quote. See, here it will also give us the same output. Okay, so here what we can say here it string in Python are surrounded by either single quote, you can say, or quotation mark also. Okay, quotation mark or double quote. I will again make it as a raw string so it is visible to you, crystal and clear. Okay, so in string Python are surrounded by means in Python the strings are surrounded by either single quote or either double quote. This is what the sentence is saying. Understood? So how we can display it? This is how we can display it, but with the help of print function we can display this string, right? Again we will take one example. So here we have given single line, you can say, we can pass single word also. See, here we will pass single word in it. So basically I will just say string. See, if we want multiple lines, right? So how we will pass it? So see, for multiple lines I will take here variable as text is equals to, I will copy this all. So this is nothing but multiple line for us, right? So for making it as a, see, if I will execute it, it will say syntax error. If I will pass here it in single quote, then also what it will say? It will say unterminated string literal, right? So what we have to do? We have to pass here triple quote, right? Double quote mean we will pass here triple quote but of double quote. Understood? And then I will hit on a run button. See, it is executed. Now we will print text and this is what we are getting. So for multiple line you have to go with this triple quote. Now you will say that can we give in single quote, means is it possible to have a single quote wala triple quote, right? So here I will tell you, yeah, it is possible. I will print the same stuff. See, it is again giving us. So keep in mind for multiple lines, we have to go with single. Okay, here I will write triple quote of single quote or triple quote of double quote. Hope you understood this, what I am trying to say over here. After this, will understand more examples about string, we will proceed further. Okay, so hope you all understood basic concept. Basically, we are saying that string is a collection of alphabets, words, or other characters. Okay, what we are saying to string, it is see here we are saying it is collection of alphabets. So can we say here every letter is a plural kept together by an invisible string? Can we say it as like this? Yeah, we can. So here we'll make or, and I will write this definition also. Here every letter is a plural kept together by an invisible string, right? So now you can understand much more about string. So we will see how we can write. We already seen for single line, for double line, how we can write, but again we will see which are the some basics type to write string and which code are suitable, which code are not suitable. Okay, so we will move further. So see, string is equals to, I will write here we are learning string. Okay, so this is also you can write. Okay, so again in single quote also you can write in single quote. Okay, I will remove from here double quote. So in single quote, in double quote, in triple quote, single quote, triple quote of single quote. Okay, and here triple quote of double quote. Oh, pardon me. See, so here I will make it as 1, here 2, here 3, and here 4. So you can, we will bring this one by one and you will be able to understand that too. String 4. How we are separating here? By new line character. I already told you in prior video what is new line character. So basically this new line character print our next output on new line. Yeah. So see, these are the some codes or quotation mark we can use for passing string. Okay, so can we say that we can use single quote in single quote? How? Right, we will see now how we will use single quote in single quote. So basically I am passing this learning in single quotation, right? And here I will give a, at the end I will bring this a. See, so we can't able to pass single quote in single quote. Okay, so here conclusion reads no, we don't. Right, next one. So we will see, can we use single quote in double quote? this is what we will check over here. I said single quoting, double quote. So I will remove single quote and I will add over here double quote and we will check its result. So yeah, we can write the single quote in double quote. Understood? Yes. So for in right concept we will write only S, and for which is means not correct I will wrote here no, right? So hope you will understand it later on also. So in single quote हो गया, double quote sure what yeah sure in double quote. Okay, so I will try over here single quote, triple quote of single quote I'm saying. Yeah, so whenever you are writing this single quote in triple quote of single quote, then it is giving us output. And whenever we are writing triple quote of single quote in double quote, then also we will able to get result. Again we will check here, can we get this triple quote of single quote in triple quote of single quote? No, we can't, right? So this is how we can get single quote in triple quote, but we won't able to get triple quote in triple quote. See, यहाँ पे single quote in double quote we are getting. Now we will check triple single quote in double quote. Yeah, this is how also we can print this stuff, and this is how also we can pass this string. So basically why we are passing here in this middle of this string, why we are trying with this concept, right? You will think about it. But whenever if you want to pass means any important stuff in string, but you wanted to highlight it, right? You wanted to view it suddenly, or what I can say instantly, right? So then you can go with this concept because it will highlight your concept with this stuff and you can able to find out it very soon, right? So this is all about string. Hope you have learned something better today. Let me tell you, in next video we are going to see string indexing slicing. Okay, so this is heading I will share with you today what we are going to learn in next video. So stay tuned. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends so helping hands they will also learn and they will also start learning Python with Priyanka. Stay tuned and we will meet in next video. So do practice, as I always say, true practice. Okay, and in next video we are gonna means see some very interesting topic, that is indexing, how it work with string, slicing. These all are concept very interesting. In next video you understand that. And so here we will end our video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon. Bye.